close till I get up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys and hello sir. My name is Siti Nurjan Ismail and I'm from Class B, English Department 2019. In this video, I'm gonna explain about recount text. So, what is recount text? Recount text is the text that contains stories or past experiences that serve to entertain and provide information to readers. In other sense, recount text is a text in which there is a story, action, or other activity. Recount text aims to entertain readers and provide information. It should be underlined that the recount text is not found in conflict in the storyline. Next, what is the characteristic or language feature of recount text? The first one is using the simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. The second, recount use is made of words which link events in the time, such as next, later, when, then, after, before, first, at the same time, as soon as she left, late on Friday, on Saturday, on Monday, on Sunday. And the next, focus on a specific participant, e.g., A, the writer. And the fourth, using the conjunction such as then, before, after, and at. And the five, using an action verb, e.g., when, state. And the last one, the passive voice may be used, e.g., the battle was filled with in factual recount. Then, the generic structure of recount text. The first one is orientation. It gives the readers the background information needed to understand the text, such as who was involved, where it happened, and when it happened. For example, I spent my last summer vacation in Seoul, South Korea. I went there with my friends. The second one is events. Series of events ordered in a chronological sequence. For example, I arrived at Incheon Airport for about 7 hours after a 6-hour flight on the first day. Then, I took the train to Seoul and sat in the hotel, one book in advance. I decided to rest for a while. In the evening, I went to Hongdae, a famous area in South Korea, and went for the traditional Korean food. The next day, I went the Gyeongbokgung Palace and National Museum. I also went to learn how to make kimchi and see the view of Seoul from Seoul Tower. I returned to the hotel at 10 p.m. and went to sleep immediately. And the last, reorientation. Personal comment about the event or what happened in the end. For example, I spent my last day in Myeongdong and bought some items and souvenirs for my family and friends. I also ate street food there. I went to the airport at 15 o'clock because my flight was 16 o'clock. I had a great experience in South Korea and had great memories with my friends. It was a great trip. The kinds of recount text. Personal recount. This usually retells an event that the writer was personally involved in. Factual recount. Recording an incident, e.g., a science experiment, police report. And the last imaginative recount, writing an imaginary role and giving details of events, e.g., a day in the life of a pirate, how I invented. Kinds of recount text example: personal recount, orientation. I spent my last summer in Seoul, South Korea. I went there by myself for a 4-day solo trip. Events: on the first day, I was landed at Incheon Airport around 7 a.m. after a 6-hour-long flight. Then, I went to Seoul by train and checked into the hotel I already booked. I decided to take a rest for a while. At night, I went to Hongdae, a famous district in South Korea. I went to eat traditional Korean food and went around the neighborhood. On the next day, I went to Gyeongbokgung Place and National Museum. I also went to learn how to make kimchi and see the scenery of Seoul from the Seoul Tower. I went back to the hotel at 10 p.m. and immediately went to sleep. On the third day, I went to Korean Demilitarized Zone or DMZ. DMZ is a border barrier that divides South Korea and North Korea. I also went to Dora Observatory. From here, we can see how North Korea looks like tough binoculars. I spent the fourth day walking around Myeongdong and buy some stuff and souvenir for my family and friends. I went to the airport at 6 p.m. since my flight is at 5 p.m. And the next, reorientation. I have fantastic experience in South Korea, especially get to see directly how the Korean peninsula is. It's a great trip. And the next, factual recount text. For example, title: Man charged with pushing an old woman down the bus. Orientation: Singapore. The man who pushed an old woman down a bus along Upper Thomson Road has been charged in court. 25-year-old Ong Kok Hau is accused of hurting 76-year-old Hang Lee Lian Lee on bus service number 167 at about 3 p.m. on June 5 this year. Events: Ong is said to have used his right hand to push the old woman on her back, causing her to fall on the steps of the bus. The incident was captured in a 2-minute video and uploaded on YouTube. The video shows Ong suddenly flying into a rage at Madam Huang for pressing the bell at the last minute along Upper Thomson Road. A shouting match then ensued, and during the heated spat, Ong threatened to slap the woman before pushing her down the bus. Reorientation: Ong's lawyer Eddie Koh will be making representing to the court. The case will next be mentioned in December. The last is imaginative recount. For example, in orientation, I had my most memorable adolescence when I was 14. Events: I called it memorable because everything happened in that era. first, I had a breakout. Acne showed up on my entire face, especially my cheek. I was afraid to come out of my house and meet my friends as I was so embarrassed about my skin condition. Second, I had a crush, but since my face was covered by acne, I have to let my crush go without even trying to know him. Third, because of my acne, I got bullied at school. I was sad. Fortunately, Mom gave me good medicine to get rid of the acne. It takes quite a while until my face is clean from the acne. So, I promised myself to wash my face before sleep so the acne won't come back. Reorientation. That was my bad experience with adolescence. Tough, there were still lots of good experiences too.